In this video, I explain MCQ of property of gas chapter of basic mechanical engineering subject. So first MCQ is a perfect gas obeys which law? So first one is the Boyle's law, option B Charles law, option C both of the above, and option D none of the above. So correct answer is the option C both of the above, means perfect gas follow the both the law, Boyle's law as well as the Charles law. According to Boyle's law, which equation is correct? So here different equation is given. Option A, P1V1 is equal to P2V2 if temperature is constant. Okay, so P means pressure is given and volume. Okay, and third parameter, that is temperature, is constant. Second equation is P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2, volume is constant. Option C, P1 upon V1 is equal to P2 upon V2 if temperature is constant. And option D, V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2 if pressure is constant. So Boyle's law is follow the P1V1 is equal to P2V2, and in a Boyle's law the temperature is remains constant. Okay, so option A is the correct answers. So this MCQ is also asked for the other law. Suppose this question is changed. So option is same but the question is changed according to the gas-Lewis law. So which option is the correct? For that, here you read the statement: when a perfect gas is heated at the constant volume, means that is the answer related to the constant volume. Okay, and here you see that statement pressure is proportional to temperature, means P upon T. So P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2 is equal to constants. Okay, so here you see option B, that is a P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2 and the volume is constant. So suppose this question is asked according to the Guy-Lewis law, which is the correct? That is option B is the correct. The third question is also possible, that is related to the Charles law. So in a Charles law, equation is correct related to the V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2 and during the pressure is constant. Okay, for the Charles law, option D is the correct answer. Means from this second MCQ, 3 MCQ is possible. Pressure of a perfect gas is inversely proportional to the volume at constant temperature is a statement of which law? Means pressure P is inversely proportional to the volume. Okay, and during that the temperature is remains constant. So this is the statement of the Boyle's law. Okay, so this MCQ is also related to the MCQ last one. Okay, if you know the equation, then we can easily able to return it. Okay, so here you see this equation: P1V1 is equal to P2V2 is equal to constant. So we consider P1V1 is equal to constant and we supplied the pressure on the right side, then what written? V1 is equal to 1 upon P1. That means the volume is inversely proportional to pressure, or the pressure is inversely proportional to the another factors. Okay, so the correct answer is the Boyle's law. That is option B is the correct answer. That is the Boyle's law. The universal gas constant is change with temperature, different for different perfect gas, change with pressure, or a remains constant. So correct answer is the option D. The universal gas constant is remains constant. They are not changed. That's why its name is the universal. So universal properties remains constant, means universal gas constant is also remains constant. The characteristic gas constant of any perfect gas is increase. Okay, so earlier question is related to the universal gas constant. This question is related to the characteristic gas constants. Okay, so here what the question is asked: the characteristic gas constant of any perfect gas is increase with which parameter change? Okay, so different option is given. Option A, with increase in molecular mass. Option B, with increase in temperatures. Option C, with increase in molecular mass. And option D, with increase in temperatures. So correct answer is the option C. The characteristic gas constant is increase with increase in molecular mass. Now before moving on ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the BME as well as other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the BME, various playlists is provided in a descriptions as well as in a card, or for other subject you visit the playlist. Characteristic gas constant of any perfect gas depends upon pressure and temperatures, increase with decrease in temperatures, decrease with decrease in temperatures, and remains constant. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. The characteristic constant of the any perfect gas is remains constant, so option D is the correct answer. The characteristic gas constant are equal to ratio of two specific heat, product of two specific heat, difference of two specific heat, and the sum of two specific heat. So we know that the characteristic gas constant R is equal to Cp minus Cv. So it is the difference of two specific heat. So option C is the correct answer. So we know that the R is equal to Cp minus Cv. Cp means specific heat at constant pressure and the Cv means specific heat at constant volume. The index of adiabatic operation gamma equal to ratio of two specific heat, product of two specific heat, difference of two specific heat, and sum of the two specific heat. So we know that the gamma is the ratio of two specific heat, that is the gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv, and the value of the gamma is the 1.4 for the adiabatic process. For some other process it may be 1.2, it may be 0, or it may be infinitive. That type of the MCQ is also possible, that we discuss later on. Now the next MCQ, gas have one specific heat, two specific heat, three specific heat, or none of the above. So we know that is a gas have the two specific heat, one at the constant pressure and second one at the constant volume. So correct answer is the option B. Specific heat of a gas at the constant pressure is equal to the specific heat at constant volume, more than the specific heat at the constant volume, option C less than the specific heat at constant volume, and option D none of the above. So we know that the value of the Cp is greater than the Cv, means option B is the correct, it is the more than. For the air we consider the specific heat at the constant pressure is 1.005 and the specific heat of the constant volume is the 0.7. Universal gas constant is equal to option A m into R. M means molecular weight and the R means the gas constant is equal to m divided by R is equal to 1 upon mr and d R upon m. So universal gas constant is equal to molecular mass into the gas constant, means that is a characteristic constant is written as the R. Okay, so universal gas constant is the multiplication of the m into R. So option A is the correct answer. The value of universal gas constant is option A 2.87 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So this type of the MCQ is asked. At that time you also need to focus on the units. Okay, so that is a different units is given. Option B 287 Newton into meter divided by kilojoule per Kelvin. Option C 8314.3 Newton into meter divided by kilojoule into mole into Kelvin. So this Newton into meter is also mentioned as the joule. Okay, so in some MCQ that is written as joule. Okay, that things are same because Newton into meter is also written as the joule. Option D 8.3148 joule per kilojoule mole into Kelvin. So option C is the correct answers. Okay, so here we also written as the joule. Suppose in option D here kilojoule is mentioned and option D is also correct. Okay, so here the option C is the correct, means in short you need to focus on the unit as well as the value both. Internal energy of a gas is a function of which parameter? It is a function of enthalpy, or either it is a function of pressures, or it is function of pressure and volume and temperature. So we know that the internal energy is a function of temperature, so option D is the correct answer. Now next MCQ, a process in which no heat is supplied or rejected is called, means it is a one process, during the process we are not supplying the heat or not the rejecting the heat, it is called as the adiabatic process. Okay, so that is a different option is given. So correct answer is the adiabatic process, option C. Polytropic expansion of a gas is given by the law PV raised to n is constant, PV raised to gamma is equal to constant, PV is equal to constants, and the PV raised to 0 is equal to constants. Okay, so these things are presenting the different process. Okay, but here asked about the polytropic process. So for the polytropic process, PV raised to n is equal to constants. For adiabatic process, PV raised to gamma is equal to constant is correct, and PV raised to 1. Okay, here that is for the isothermal process. So these equations is for the different process. Okay, so you need to focus for the which process they are. That is for polytropic expansion, then the PV raised to n is constant is the correct answer. In a case of isothermal expansion of the gas, the work done is equal to, that is the various equation is given. Okay, so correct equation is the option C. Okay, so isothermal expansion, the work done is equal to P1 into V1 log e raised to V2 upon V1 is the correct answer. The sum of internal energy and the flow work is called the enthalpy. Internal energy means U and flow work means the pressure into volume. So it is called as the enthalpy H. So correct answer is the enthalpy, and for the enthalpy option D is given. So correct answer is the option D, enthalpy. If polytropic index N is infinitive, then the process is constant pressure process, isothermal process, adiabatic process, or a constant volume process. Okay, for that you need to remember these diagrams. Okay, that is a different MCQ is asked from these diagrams. Okay, here they ask about the N is equal to infinitive, but it is also possible they ask about the N is equal to 1, N is equal to 0. Okay, so if you know this diagram, then you can easily give this answer. Here you see this N is equal to infinitive. At that time it is the constant volume process. Okay, so here you see this volume is during this process is remains constant. Okay, when N is equal to 0, then it is a constant pressure process. Okay, N is equal to 1, then it is called as the isothermal process or hyperbolic process. Same way N is equal to 1.2, then it is called as the polytropic process. N is equal to gamma, then it is called as the adiabatic process, and N is equal to N, then it is called as the polytropic process. Okay, so here the infinitive means correct answer is the constant volume process, option D. Displacement work is equal to, different equation is given, that is F into dx, integration of P into dV, integration of V into dP, and integration of V into dt. So correct answer is the option B. Displacement of the work is proportional to the pressure and the volume. So it is a PdV. Change in internal energy is equal to heat transfer during the process in a case of constant pressure process, constant volume process, adiabatic process, or a isothermal process. Okay, so change in internal energy is equal to the heat transfer. Both are same during the which process? Okay, it is for the constant volume process, means when the constant volume process is there, okay, at that time there is a no work done is done. Okay, because the line is straight and area under this PV diagram is indicate the work done. So here you see this straight line means that is a constant volume process. Okay, in this line there is a no area is there, means there is a no work done, and no work done means that is the internal energy change is equal to amount of the heat transfer. Constant volume process is also known as option A isentropic process, option B isobaric process, option C isothermal process, and isochoric process. So option D is the correct, that is a constant volume process is known as the isochoric process. Same way they are asked for the other process. Suppose they ask about the constant entropy process, okay, then it is called as the isentropic process. They ask about the constant pressure process, then the option B is the correct, that is isobaric. Suppose they ask about the constant temperature process, then the correct answer is the isothermal process. Okay, here they ask about the volume, so for the volume correct answer is the isochoric process. PV raised to N is equal to C represent the constant temperature process when the value of N is equal to N, N is equal to 0, N is equal to gamma, or N is equal to 1. Okay, so we need to again remember these diagrams. Okay, so here they ask about the constant temperature process. Okay, so here we need to focus where is the constant temperature is there. Okay, so here you see constant temperature means it is isothermal process. Okay, means the N is equal to 1, at that time we call the isothermal process. Okay, so when this N is equal to 1, then we say that it is the isothermal process. So option D is the correct answer. Suppose they ask about the value of N for the different process, like as the constant volume process. Okay, so at that time we know that for the constant volume N is equal to infinitive. Okay, so here N is equal to N is given. Okay, at that time they have called about the polytropic process. Suppose they mention here the instance of constant temperature process, they mention the constant, not the constant, but it is mentioned the polytropic process, then option A is correct. Okay, an instance of this constant temperature process, they mention the constant pressure, then n is equal to 0 is the correct answer. Okay, an instance of this constant pressure process, they mention the adiabatic process, at that time n is equal to gamma is the correct. Okay, so that is a different 4 MCQ is possible for this MCQ just by changing this name of the process. Which one is the correct statement? PV is equal to MRT, PV is equal to CV in bracket gamma minus 1 into MT. Option C, P upon rho is equal to RT, and all of the above. So all of the above answers are the correct. So option D is the correct answer. In the polytropic process, PV raised to n is constant if n is infinitive, then the process is called isochoric process, isobaric process, isothermal process, or adiabatic process. So option A is the correct answer. It is called as the isochoric process. So these MCQ we already study ahead. Okay, so when the n is infinitive, then it is called as the constant volume process. Constant volume means it is the isochoric process. During adiabatic process, heat transfer is 0, work transfer is 0, enthalpy remains constant, and the enthalpy change is 0. So we know that during the adiabatic process, heat transfer is equal to 0 means Q is equal to 0. Option A is the correct answer. The relation between Cp and Cv is Cp minus Cv is equal to R, Cv minus Cp. Option C, Cp plus Cv is equal to R, and option D, Cp into Cv. So we know that the option A is the correct answer. That is a specific heat at constant pressure minus specific heat at constant volume is equal to R. So this MCQ we already studied. That is a number 5 or 4 MCQ. Okay. The law PV equal to C means constant is related to this process. It is related to adiabatic process, isobaric process, isochoric process, or isothermal process. So we know that PV is equal to constant means here n is there, but value of n is 1. Okay, that it is called as the isothermal process. So the option D is the correct answer. A adiabatic process is one in which no heat transfer or leave the gas, no temperature of the gas is changed, the change in the internal energy is equal to the mechanical work done, or all of the above. So correct answer is the all of the above. So we know that during adiabatic process no heat is enters and leaves, temperature of the gas is changed, okay, and the change in internal energy is equal to the mechanical work done. The behavior of perfect gas undergoing any change in the variables which control the physical properties is governed by Boyle's law, Charles law, and option C, Kyle-Essio law, and all of the above. So all of the above is the correct answer. During the isothermal process, work transfer is equal to the heat transfer. Work transfer is 0, enthalpy remains constant, and heat transfer is 0. So correct answer is the option A. Work transfer is equal to heat transfer means in a isothermal process, that is a constant temperature process. Okay, so if we supply any heat, then it is directly converted into the work, means heat supplied and work transfer are same. Air is assumed to be a ideal gas, real gas, condensed gas, or a none of the above. So air is considered as a ideal gas. That means option A is the correct answer. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn something, then like the video, subscribe my channel for watching the more video related to the mechanical engineerings. For more video, visit the playlist and visit the descriptions of this video.